Hey everybody, welcome back to Sailing Out of Sight. Thanks for tuning in.
This is Sailing Out of Sight, coming to you from the future.
We are currently in North Carolina at McOtters Marine and close to Washington, North Carolina. Bonnie, Bonnie,
Bonnie,
come here. Don't bother people. Bonnie's having fun. Sorry.
we wanted to give you a little update and some good news and some bad news. Bad news first or good news first?
Bad news first. Okay, here's the bad news. We won't be putting a new video out this week. Our usual fun and entertaining video. Nor will Craig be doing any unsolicited rants for this week's video either. We have been traveling north up the ICW to find shelter for the remaining of hurricane season.
We're also going to be doing a little mini refit on the boat, getting it ready for cruising next year. So we're going to spend the rest of this hurricane season getting the boat ready. Some of the refits that we're going to do, we're going to add a water maker, we're going to fix the leaks in the plumbing, we're going to upgrade the faucet on the sink. Nothing too serious, but some changes that we've learned this year that we want to make for a little bit of added comfort when we go back to the Bahamas next season.
Yes. So, what's the good news?
I didn't get that letter.
Okay. The good news is, because we're here, we're going to be diligently working on our videos to get caught up.
Bonnie?
She's loving being out on grass and the cool temperatures. Anyway, as you know, we are months behind on our videos.
Our videos are months behind real time.
Yes, they are.
We just wanted to be clear on what we were saying.
Okay. And some of that is because we took time off when we went to Texas to be with family and friends. We didn't do any editing, so that was a good 5 weeks of doing nothing. So it snowballs. So we are going to be working diligently on getting all of our videos caught up to where we can get closer to real time. And hopefully we'll only be 1 to 2 weeks behind at the most.
That would be our goal, be 1 to 2 weeks behind.
Yes.
But I think it's easier on us and easier maybe on it. If you're following, it might be easier on you if real time of the videos were closer together. So
we'll leave you here with a reminder, you should always learn new things.
Well, a disclaimer, no one was killed or injured in the making of this next video segment.
Unless you die of laughter.
Just almost hurt. Almost. Oh yeah, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to push the like button on the videos. It helps us out with the algorithms at YouTube, and it doesn't cost you a dime. It doesn't cost you a penny.
Not a penny. And it keeps him from explaining algorithms. So, okay. Enjoy, and we'll see you next week, guys. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe. give us a thumbs up and ring the little bell. Bottoms up! Thanks for watching.